only thing really here is Maesto. Look at that. I might grab that just for fun. What else do we have here?
Estimados clientes, les informamos que se les estará solicitando su tiquete de compras en la puerta de salida. Por favor, conservar su
Once again, the Maestos look pretty cool, but they're so cheaply made and just about impossible to do wheel swaps on. They do have some cool looking stuff, but nothing. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's that, a Grand National or something? Yeah, so it is. Well, I'm not a big fan of Maesto, but I think I'll take those 3 for starters. And I know there's a few more over here because I grabbed them from another peg. Man, this has been in their casting line forever, this Mustang. I got that like 3 years ago. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll grab those 3 just for kicks. Other than that, we're not looking at much here at all. How about the metal machines? Not very nice castings either. Well, here's some more Maesto. Be the Jeep section, I guess. Oh yeah, we're sticking at metal machines here. Let's see what else there is. And there's one more pack back here. Yeah, those look so chintzy. This Ford Bronco is kind of cool for Maesto, but once again, I think I'm just taking these 3. Other than that, what we got here is a bunch of FJ Cruisers. Very large FJ Cruisers, I might add. And the Gorilla Rescue. Look at this. We're talking maximum Gorilla Rescue going on here, man. Why do you order this many? Lots of those too. It's amazing how many, like seriously, I don't know anyone who would buy one of these. I mean, they're kind of cool, but a whole aisle through, I don't know. Well, we got some Funkos too, just for kicks. But anyway, this is the toy aisle at Walmart in Escazú, Costa Rica. Away I go to purchase my big grabs for today.